Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today to show you a fantastic trailer that we have. It's a Wildwood Heritage Glen. This one's called the 314 BUD. Now this is a really nice trailer with a lot of room. It's a double slide, so we've got a big bunkhouse with its own slide out in the very back. That's just a great big space for people or stuff or however you want to use it. And then we've got a wonderful living space, beautiful front bedroom with a front bath. This trailer actually has kind of a bath and a half arrangement, so it's really nice for big families. We'll take a look when we go inside. Now what's special about this Heritage Glen, first of all, is it's really nicely done. It's got all kinds of bells and whistles. This has power stabilizer jacks, power awning. It has a rear ladder, of course. It has a big outside kitchen. That's one of the nice things about a bunkhouse trailer, is a lot of them have outside galleys, and that's really a useful feature, especially when you're camping with a lot of folks. So also this has got the wide stance axle, which I think is really important on a trailer like this, where it's a pretty long trailer. That longer wheelbase effect of having a wider stance axle gives you more stable ride, a little better hitch weight management. Another thing that's really cool about this trailer is it has heated holding tanks. So if you're planning to use this in colder weather or use it more year-round, this one's a little better designed for that. And so now we're going to go take a look around the inside. I'll tell you all about that. Okay, so now as we look inside this rig, we see a lot to admire. First of all, if you look at the very back area, again, this has a slide out in the bunk room. So we have a large high bunk that's really quite big. Then we have a couch sort of arrangement that folds out and makes a large bedding area. And then you have a second bunk that can act kind of as a shelf. In fact, people that don't have a lot of kids with them will use these as storage areas or as secondary rooms where they can set up office or, a desk, or, some guys get in there and work and do correspondence or whatever you want to do. So that back area is a huge and versatile space you can use many ways. I think it's a good place to put your fishing poles. Now as we come forward, we see that we have an access to a mid-bath. And the nice thing about the mid-bath is that it gives all the kids a place to run in and out of, because it has its own outside door. So this little bathroom has indoor-outdoor access. You don't have people traipsing through the whole trailer and up into the master bedroom. The other thing that's really nice about this is it's got some pantry space, and of course, especially with the big group, you're going to want a lot of refrigeration. So this has an 8 cubic foot refrigerator, and it's gas electric on this model. It's starting to get popular to have electric only refrigerators in some of these big trailers. But let's face it, if you're dry camping out there, you're going to want to be able to run your fridge on propane. So now as we look at the galley, we see microwave, got a beautiful glass top, 3-burner stove with an oven with a glass front so you can see what you're burning in there. It's got a nice counter space with a big farm sink, and it's got a lot of really nice features in the galley. It has some drawer storage, which is great. And then across here in the slide area, we have the family seating area. It's the horseshoe dinette. And the thing that's really cool about this space is, to me, is that it can be a lot of different things. First of all, everybody can sit around. Second of all, I can take that table out of there. If I want it to just be open seating in a social area, I can do that, kind of like a sectional sofa in your house. And also, all of that seating area is all storage underneath. So it's great storage, great seating, and it makes a very large bed as well. We also have a small settee here that will fold out and make an additional bed as well. Now, as you turn around a little bit forward, one of the things that I really like about this trailer is the orientation of the TV set and the home theater system to the seating area. This has a huge TV, and it points in the right direction. It points toward all the seating and the galley. Everybody here can see the TV from the seats they're in. And it also has an electric fireplace. An electric fireplace is worth its weight in gold, because now I can make heat without burning propane, and that is, first of all, it's really efficient. And second of all, I don't have to listen to the furnace blowing all the time. This is very ambient. So if I have a campground with electricity, I love to have that electric furnace going. And the glow from the fireplace makes it really nice. Now, as we go one step farther, this has a side hallway which gives us the opportunity to have a really, really spacious bathroom. This has an enclosed shower and a lot of room so you can get in there and, you know, dry off and get dressed. You have plenty of space. Then when you look forward into the bedroom, one of the things you notice right away is that this has a full-size queen bed, a 60 by 80 full-length queen. A lot of times trailers have a little bit shorter dimensions in their bedding and it doesn't quite fit the stuff that you have. And you know, some people are a little taller and don't want their toes hanging off the end of the bed. So this is a good one for that. And it's really nice that they put in a front window. And for years we've been missing front windows. We haven't had them in trailers. And for the last couple of years we've started to see more and more front windows coming back, letting in much more light, making the spaces feel more open. You know, the other thing you'll notice is we're kind of getting away from those dark black walnut and dark cherry interiors. We're starting to really lighten things up and it makes it much more pleasant inside. So we have one last thing I want to tell you about this. This particular one has dual roof air conditioners, 15,000 BTUs. So with this one, if you're going to travel and you want to go down to someplace hot, go down to Arizona or Death Valley or someplace, or even here in Oregon sometimes in the summer, particularly in eastern Oregon, it can get quite hot. So having the dual roof airs is really nice, and they distribute throughout the coach and keep everything quite comfortable. And that's a good look at the interior right there. So that's a thumbnail sketch of the Wildwood Heritage Glen, the brand new 2021 314 BUD double slide and a bunkhouse model. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or you'd like to see one in person, I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me directly. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can give me a call at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.